Okay, so we're still 1 week away from having a main show, but the nice thing is I'm getting some good video footage to put a show together. So I think it's the 29th, Monday the 29th, we'll be doing a main show. Nothing this week because I'm still vacationing, taking it easy, you know, whatever you want to call it.
Welcome to morning coffee.
Maddog Merv today.
Got our French roast this morning again. No wonder I'm a big fat guy. I mean, holy cow. I always had a schmear. A schmear.
So he's probably going for bagels. His friends do.
Oh my gosh, I can't even believe it.
I have no clue.
And I got a bunch of chores to do. Oh, who wants to do that?
Hello and welcome to Morning Coffee with Maddog Merv. It's early. Happy Father's Day to you guys. There was a couple of prints that I really wanted to get working on, and excuse me, I didn't want to run things overnight. So I'm starting them early this morning, and I think by the time I'm going to go back, get a little bit of rest, because it's Father's Day and I can. And I think I will, by the time I get up, these should be done. It's about an hour and a half print that I've got going. So anyway, boy, on the channel this week, well, let's see what's going on. The shout out goes to Breaker Broke 23 or 390 Wagon Master, whichever one of his channels you want to go check out. 390 Wagon Master, you guys know Mike. I've talked about him before. I got on his live feed that he had this last week, made some comments and whatnot, which it's always fun to do with him, with Mike and his live feeds. He gets a lot of people on his live feeds. But we went to lunch this week. I know it's been almost a year since we went to lunch, believe it or not. But we had a lot to talk about, a lot to catch up on as far as YouTube stuff and just our lives in general, you know. Somebody you went to high school with, and we got so many great memories together. You know, we're both car guys and just have a lot of the same interests. So what a wonderful time, wonderful lunch that was. It was a long lunch, but it was wonderful. Had a great time with that. So if you get a chance, check out 390 Wagon Master. Great guy, great channel. So on the Kit Hoarder Stash on this last Thursday, and that's so good this morning. Oh wow. We looked at the Corvette ZR1 kit. Well, one of them. I think they're the same. I don't know, 94, 95. I'm not sure if they changed them, you know, for that annual kit. I don't know. We looked at the 94 version, and this was back in the day when AMT had been acquired by Ertl, and the quality was really good. Simple to build, not quite as simple as the old Revell kits, but still pretty simple. And the quality really good on this thing. Just going over that whole kit, I thought, wow. I don't know that I'm needing to build a Corvette right now, but I kind of want to build this right now. It's really a good kit. So I am anxious to get after it. It ought to be a fun one when I do get to it. Just have to decide on colors and a few other things. But yeah, that's pretty neat kit. Really surprised me. I'd never had one of those. Coming up this next week, we will have a Kit Hoarder Stash on Thursday. I just don't know what we're going to look at just yet. There's stuff. there are things. So that will be coming up on Thursday. Stay tuned for that. So this week, wow, did a lot of 3D printing. Got some figures that I caught up on a little bit. I don't know if I showed you guys this or not, but I'm going to show it to you anyway. So, Marianne or Ginger, which one? Yeah, I did a couple of poses of each. I did Helen Hunt from Twister, Gene Kelly and the Muses from Xanadu. That was a lot of fun. So had a good time doing some 3D prints. but I also worked on a couple of models. Now, one of the things that I needed to get done is we were going to have a display yesterday at the car show in Bountiful, Utah. The local model car club, the UMAG club, was going to be putting up just a small display, a few tables of some model cars, and then we had some model kits to sell as well, which sold a few model kits. Some of the guys did. I sold a couple of 3D prints, and a lot of people enjoyed looking at the model cars. So that was a lot of fun, but a huge car show. And so a lot of fun there, just sitting back, enjoying out on the grass and enjoying looking at the really cool old cars and whatnot. It was a 2-day event. The evening before, they had a burnout contest and a parade and a few other things, and went to all of that. You know, obviously we're going to have a show coming up in July, or maybe it'll be the end of June that I do that one, of all these fun events that, leading up to the 4th of July this year. So that's probably what we'll do on the 29th, but man, it was a lot of fun getting things ready for that. So, but that's what my week was like. And like I said, this upcoming week we're going to do a kit hoarder stash, and well, don't know what else this week's going to bring, but hopefully it's some rest, relaxation, and some fun modeling. So I am going to get back to Kit Links. I'm going to do some work with them this week as well. I'm going through their stash of stuff that needs to be their kits that they acquired in collections that need to be gone through, make sure they're complete and whatnot. And that's what I'm doing. Been doing that for a couple weeks, and we're going to continue on that. And I think I'll take you guys on that journey with me too, so that could be kind of fun. All right, I'm gonna let you guys go. It's Father's Day. Have a wonderful day. I'm gonna get back in. I'm gonna get a little bit of rest before I start this day. So you guys take care, and we will see you Thursday for the stash.